Hi students, 12th standard computer application chapter 13 network. In this video we are going to learn about Ethernet cabling components continuation. Now let us start. RJ45 connector. So here the RJ45 connector is a small plastic cup. It is a very small plastic cup. It is used to connect the wire inside the connector and ready to connect the internet. So it is very small. It is used to connect the wire and what is the main purpose is it is ready to connect with the internet. So the RJ45 connector looks similar to telephone jack. It is very similar to So it is similar to telephone jack, but it looks slightly wider. And then the Ethernet cables are sometimes called as RJ45 cables. So sometimes we call RJ45 cables. So here RJ stands for registered jack. RJ stands for registered jack, and the 45 it simply refers the number of interfaces standard in the cable. Now, so each RJ45 connector has 8 pins and connected to each end of the Ethernet cable. So it has 8 pins. So, and since it has 8 position and 8 contact. 8 position, 8 contacts. So that's why it is called 8P8C. You can call it as 8P8C, that is modular plug. And it is also known as 8P8C connector. So these plugs are then inserted into port of the network card. Now, wiring schemes and color codes of the connector. Now let us discuss about the wiring schemes and color codes. So already we know that the RJ45 means it has 8 small jack inside to connect 8 small wires of the patch cable. So the 8 cables are in 8 different colors. Already we know that. Now the 8 colors, the wiring schemes that it specifies how the wires to be connected with RJ45 connector. So there are 2 wiring schemes are available to terminate the twisted pair cable on each end, that is T568A and another one is T568B. Here we have 2 wiring schemes. One is T568A, another one is T568B. So the first one is 568A. So here we used the color white green and green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, brown. In pin T568B, in 568B we used white orange, orange, white green, blue, green, white brown and brown. Now, so although 4 pairs of wires are available in the cable, so here the Ethernet uses only 2 pairs, that is orange and green. So the other 2 colors, that is blue and brown, can be used as ISDN or phone connections. We use in telephone connection. So as we have already discussed about the pin details in Ethernet connector, now let us see the pin details of Ethernet port. So the pin 1 shows transmission positive. Pin 1, transmission positive, and pin 2, it shows that transmission negative. pin 3, it is used for, it shows a receiver positive. And pin 4, it shows reserved position. Here, what is the meaning of reserved means? It is nothing but it tells the connection for some other use. That means it is for reserved. So, it tells that it is reserved for some other purpose. And then here the pin 5 also reserved position, and pin 6 is used for receiver negative, and pin 7 and pin 8 is also used for reserved. So here these are all the pin position. Then the pin 6, so receiver negative. So the two main signals of pins, the one is transmission TX. Here TX means transmission of data, and another one is RX. RX means it refers the receiver of data. So here TX means transmission of data, RX means receiver of data. Now next, the position of pin 1. So already we know that the pin 1, it describes the transmission data are bidirectional. Bidirectional means it can be sent to the both connections with the positive. So the TX plus has a positive terminal, and color is used in this position is white green. So here we used white green. And second one, in the position of pin 2, it describes the transmission data, and then we can say that bidirectional with TX negative. So here TX has a negative terminal, and the color is used in this position is green color. Here it used green color. And third one, in the position of pin number 3, it describes the received data are bidirectional with RX positive, that is receiver of data positive. So the RX is a compatible to receive the data with has a positive terminal, and the color is used in this position is white orange. And next one, in the position of pin 4, so here it describes that is not connected or bidirectional. That means there will be no transmitting or receiving will exist, but it can used for later for some other connection. So the color used in this pin is blue color. And next one, pin 5. In this position of pin 5, it describes that it is not connected or bidirectional, and the color is white blue. And next, pin 6. In this position of pin 6, it describes the receiver data are bidirectional with the RX negative, which has a negative terminal, and the color used in this position is orange. And so it is receiver negative. And the next one, pin 7. So in the position of pin 7, it describes that is not connected or bidirectional, and the color is white brown. And pin 8, it describes that it is not connected or bidirectional, and the color is brown. So these are all the wiring schemes and color codes of the connector. So RJ45 connector, it is a small plastic cup, and it is used to connect inside the connector and it is ready to connect the internet. So it has 8 colors, that is white, green, green, white, orange, blue, orange, white, brown, brown. And then these are all the pin position, the Ethernet wiring schemes. Here we used T568A and T568B. That's all. Thank you, students.